Hi you guys, and welcome back to Nicole House to Home. And what you are looking at is my Christmas tic-tac-toe box. So enjoy the video you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
I told you guys that I was going silver and white, but I couldn't find white pups, so I found gold ones. And yes, if you on my Instagram, you already have got a sneak peek of this. But have you guys enjoyed the like the switching out of the tic-tac-toe box? I'm just showing you how you can use tchotchkes, is that what they call them, in a different way, like little ornaments or little things like this in a different way. Back in the day, old people used to call them tchotchkes, I think. Just little knickknacks in a different way. So yeah, this is the box. I have all of these. I'm putting them up as we speak and taking my pumpkins out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. This one is kind of short. So that's how they look. So cute. I think they are so pretty. I'm gonna put my silver ones on the outside. Like that. Like so. Okay you guys, this video was short, sweet, and it took you straight to the point. So I'm just going to show you an overview of all the tic-tac-toe boxes that we have did over the course of these holidays. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you on the next one. Be blessed you guys.
To the next, she got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying